Another one don't come again. Oh, our pastors, prophetess, prophets. My people, this one a Ghanaian prophetess. She don't come reveal to us reason why. In fact, this one not be even for us ladies. Una men. Reason why una they suffer. Reason why even as una they walk. It be like say una they walk, but una know they see where the work they go. Una know they see the money. In fact, enemies of progress just full everywhere. And according to Ram, she said the reason why una they suffer. Ghana men. Now because una they leak woman under. You understand? So for una way they do I don't bring una reason why una they suffer. Not be me talking, so I bet for una when no know this woman. Join me, make we watch the video.
They want to Obama at all. When you trade the NT, you will hear the South African master. A pambone pan a pam. Yensi amani we bin koso wa bra bo sika se maye basa oku wani we nko opem na awai otare na awai opem na ebutu o chise na sane. Do you know why? E madu do an waka from ase.
Una yera make I interpret again for those who don't know. He say many women they get problem under that side. So by the time you carry your mouth say they go put for that place. He say cause even if he follow you, many things they follow you. So una don't know what you even they swallow. Jerusalem. I want to ask something. Una just say this woman like this, she go Jerusalem. I just they ask because everybody just they bring their own thing every day, different things. Different prophetess, pastors don't come outside, they talk their own. Hey, 2021. My people, the multiple partner part, that one I know they agree with her. But which one can be this one again now? Your own person. No, I know they tell una make una do it you no want to. But if you not say you they do this thing, I know just understand. According to her, she say, you know they holy, this one, I beg go. Bible no describe how man and woman supposed to do. No, Bible no describe. I never see him. I never hear him before. So if you not say they watch me where you see, I beg just tell me for that side. You understand? But for my own knowledge, the one where I know, the small one where I know, Bible never tell us say, okay, oh, man go like that, woman go do this. See, they never describe anything. The Bible just talk say, go and multiply. You understand? So I know that's the way this one. Maybe this one Bible they different from the Bible way all of us get. I beg go auntie, madam, because just that part of your Bible where they write this one, bring them outside. Aye. Wait. How this woman take no say that place exists? Say that thing they happen. How she take know that part? How? May not be waiting at the think, oh. You understand? Make you know, I'm not talking detail, just they ask. Make you know be the thing where they think. Because, see, before you go to say you know they chop beans, you know like beans. At least, it's supposed don't call your side. You suppose don't see them. You suppose don't put them for your mouth before you know say, I don't like beans. I'm not talking anything, I just they explain my own part. Hey! Women! I beg almost see. Everybody now, they come out with different message. The first one we can't tell us if your breast fall, you know, your breast price will reduce. The other one come outside again, make your vagina perish. The other one come outside again. If everybody just get message for this period where everybody eye hot, some people they look for money, people never even know Jesus. At least you get message where person go come out. Oh my people, I don't tire for these people. Everybody they bring in you. But my question now for una way they watch me, especially Ghanaian men, you understand? Because in fact, she make them specific. She say Ghanaian men, but anyhow, if they watch me, you will be man. My question now for una, after una don't hear this woman now, what did you not take on this matter? Because I know say some of you know if you stop. I know. So I beg, after she don't come tell una reason why una know they prosper. Wait till una won't do now, una go stop. I be una go continue. Now wait till me I won't know. I don't come tell una my own mind. You understand? So make the comments start the roll now. Anything where you think of, just drop off of that comment section. And make sure say you share this video because many people need hear us. Maybe some people don't they wonder how come they work? I know they see money. Maybe this one had their own solution. You understand? So my people, share this video, drop your comments, and make sure say you subscribe. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, I don't come here with something where they heavy for my heart. I need una help seriously for this matter. I need justice. In fact, we need justice because I just say by the time I drop this hot yam, una go even support me. You understand? This one happen now. Agbalagba, elderly man, we go carry girl, 10 years old girl. He do am jugu. No be the normal place for in anus. After he do am, na so they thought say police arrest am. Ungwanu, una know how police people they do. They still dey on top case where police people contact the parents of the girl say, now this amount you need bring so that we go look into this matter. To look into this matter the man come dey with the police people because they arrest him. As the police people see say this man no dey bring this girl parents no dey bring any money. Now so they just release this man because the woman they waste their time. You understand? And as they don't ask her to bring money now, the woman no gree bring money because she no get. So they don't release the man as they thought to Nana. And the girl in question, 10 years old, no be once. The girl even they tell them say that 3 times and they do it from back. 10 years old, you do him back. Hey. And on top of that one, to make matters worse, after you do it, they give him 50 naira. 50 naira na like how much safe? 50 naira no be like 50 pesos, I be 1 CD. Something like that. I beg my people, we need justice. Now, why I don't bring this matter here? Which kind evil be this one? Which kind? See, no be the one where we dey talk say some people no get heart. This one even worse past person wey no get heart. Person no even get spirit. 10 years old. No, wait, no. Wait. 10 years. No be even the normal place safe. Una no say person fit die. Anything we concern police, money must dey inside. Anything we concern police, money must dey inside. I no just understand. They rape person. And instead make you look inside this matter, you dey still ask for money. Now so now why our life even be like this? Scattered, confused human beings. Now why una no fit see one policeman wey go heaven. No, make una go heaven, go check. Check uniform people where they heaven and come back tell me say this person they heaven. You know fit happen, you know they possible. No. To even talk this matter sef, even they do me. No, wait, I beg make person tell me something. What is the difference between rapists, people where they rape, and police? If you as a police, you feel because of money, allow rape case to pass. Now if they say you too, you follow for people where they rape. Person where you they ask me she bring money. Even phone, yam phone she no even get. No, make una help me judge this matter now. Me no be say I too like the talk. Yam phone, this woman no get. But if they ask her make it bring money. Abe from where? Now your ancestors want bring her. Police. Hey. I know what they talk because this thing I don't experience them before. No be the rape like I they talk about the police people. Try call police. Say okay, you get case or they rob your phone or something like any case where you know say they serious. No, you try call police first before they go move. They go tell you, Alpha, you give us something for petrol, fuel. Give us something so that we go, you understand? Meanwhile, government already provide all these things for their budget. All these things already. I bet my people, why will they pay tax? Why will they pay tax if the reason why we even they pay tax, we know they see and we know they get up? Make we kukuma stop because I know they see, I be when they see anything. Me, I know they see the reason why even they pay tax. Trouble everywhere, heartless people everywhere. In fact, Africa just they messed up. Everything just they see you. No. Police people lie. You no go. Make a complete that statement. You no go bet. Make a no just talk before they say, Madam Aproko don't talk. Don't start the talk. All the things now where we they pay tax for. No, many of una don't even know why they pay tax. Una don't even know why they pay tax. Security 0. Water, 0. Light, 0. Road, all the roads when they drive, they pass. Wait, it be like say if they drive for those roads, say a pregnant woman say get miscarriage, 0. Nigeria na zoo. Serious zoo. Zoo ruled by an animal. And later on, I go, they come outside, open down her mouth, and never brush. Punish is your friend. Punish is your friend. Which friend? For this 2021, I be make una no bring that nonsense friendship come our side. Make una see. In fact, I like being friendless. In fact, it's my hobby. I don't like having friends. If na police go come end up being my friend, because of all of una. Now why people they take law into their hands? Because of the kind things one that they do. Not be some matter even happen where one man and the whole family go kill person. They say the person kill person, I be the person steal. They don't feel call una because they know say if they call una now to contact this case, money go enter inside and they no get money and justice must be made. Now why some people now they think before we go call police, we no get 50,000 naira, we no get 500 cedis, we no get. As I told this thing, many of una eye just they shine. Not be only for Nigeria, even Ghana. It dey happen. It dey happen. Police people, I bet una think say these people go ever change. I bet they go. Maybe they go give their life to Christ. I don't know if it is possible because the way they say all of them don't even dey inside here. Nigeria na failed experience, failed one. In fact, woefully failed experience. Now the best statement be that. Woefully failed experience. It better make we just break up. If you know say you dey relationship with Nigeria, you dey watch me now. Start the in fact, I don't know whether na letter you go use and do, I been a speech, but start the break up anyhow. Make everybody just do on their own. So that we go no say, okay, now I do on my own. We go there together. Some people they make life miserable for other people. Police. I don't even know whether to say make police go arrest these police people who refuse to arrest the man who rape person. You understand that state? I bet my people I don't bring on this matter because I know they laugh. It's very painful because I just feel for that small girl 10 years. So if you get anything where you go talk concerning this matter, drop on for that comment section. It's very, very important because me will help person and not be just for this present girl. Other people still there where they suffer through the same thing. You understand? Now why when I need share this video so that I go reach everywhere, people go know and people go change by God's grace. And don't forget to continue to pray for Nigeria. We need them even as much as the things still they hard. Yes, subscribe if you never subscribe. Share this video and drop your comments. I will reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.